Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankush. First of all, thank you so much for the wishes that I got from all over the world, and as you know that I'm blessed with the baby boy recently. So thank you so much for the wishes. I can see a lot of the wishes are coming from the different countries, and I'm really grateful for that. So apart from this, I just want to give you one more update that I'm going to start a new Oracle DBA batch from this next month. So 1st of September I will start with the regular batch. We already know, like we have two batches are there. One is a regular batch and we have a weekend batch. So weekend batch already started. Those people who want to start the weekend batch, they can reach out to me on my mobile number or the WhatsApp or email. You can just get all the details in the description section. So this time I'm going to start a regular batch. Regular batch means the batch will run from the Monday to Friday, and it will be daily 1 hour. The duration will be 45 days. Fee structure and everything you can get it over here itself. So basically this batch is completely real-time database training, and you know, like what type of response, what type of things are going on in the batch. It's completely real-time interactive session. Limited people are there, and most of the people are getting placed in different companies, and they are working as a Oracle DBA. And you can see the LinkedIn status where I'm sharing the achievements of the different peoples. So yes, this is a golden opportunity for everyone, and I know most of the people are waiting to join this regular batch. So from next month, so within 10 days we are going to start this new batch. So this is a golden opportunity for everyone to join with me and get started with your career as Oracle DBA. If you are interested for this real-time database training, you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp number, or you can email me. What we are going to cover with this training, let me tell you some description. Basically, we are going to cover the all core DBA concept, like installation, configuration of your databases, then server installation is there, listener concept, table spaces, patching activity, upgradation, shell scripting, performance tuning, Oracle Enterprise Manager, everything. So we are going to cover everything which is coming in the Oracle DBA, and this will really help you to start your career as a Oracle DBA. Now from this batch, or from last 2-3 batches, I have started something which is really excited. You know, there are many people, they are not sure about the SQL, they are not sure about the Unix. That is completely new for those people. So for those people, what I'm giving, I'm also including SQL and Unix. Okay, that is a free course which I'm including along with this course. You don't need to pay any extra for that. Apart from this, we are also including resume preparation is there, a mock interview is there, and the interview question series which I'm giving it to you, it's completely and 100% sure short questions. Apart from this, you will not get any more questions. So that type of interview question series which I have created, and I'm giving it to you completely free of cost as a part of this training. So this is all about the training program. I'll make sure that you will be working as a Oracle DBA, and you will get whole and soul knowledge. So don't worry about that. My previous student response, if you see their testimonials and everything, you'll be finding it very grateful. Okay, so don't hesitate to call me or email me. All details are there in the description section, and we are going to start it very soon from 1st of September. So within 5 to 10 days we are going to start this new batch. The timing is 9 a.m. IST, or you can also consider as 11:30 p.m. EST timing or 10:30 p.m. CST timing. Okay, so check the timing, see if you are comfortable. If you are not comfortable, let me know, we can see something for you. Okay, so let's get connected and start with this training. Again, if you talk about the fee structure compared to the market, it's really less, and the amount of syllabus that I'm giving it to you is somewhere, you know, you can fit your position as a Oracle DBA. So don't worry about that. Okay, rest of the things I'll take care, and you will get the recordings and everything. Okay, thank you so much guys. Please do like, subscribe and share this channel. If you don't want to spend the money for this training, that's fine. Still you can start your career as a Oracle DBA by subscribing to my channel. Here are a lot of free contents, will get it definitely. Okay, and there are many people, they have already start their career as Oracle DB also, just looking to this YouTube channel also. you need to put some extra efforts for that. That's the thing. But apart from this, if you are joining with me, I'll make sure that you'll get selected. Let's get bye bye. See you again with the next video. Please do like, subscribe and share this channel.